So guys, this is where I messed up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Acres Lawn Care here. I hope you're all doing well and I hope you had a great Christmas and New Year's. So the first video of the year is just going to be a quick pressure wash. The customers called me up and said it's getting very slippery underfoot, so we're going to crack on and try and get that sorted for her. First of all, we're just going to lift up these soakaways and just give it a good old clean, because as you can see, it's pretty filthy under there. Lovely jubbly. Trying to find the soakaway, which I think is down there. I feel a little hole. Doesn't seem to be blocked. I think we're good to go. Just giving that a bit of a clean out. Just try and get a brush in there as well. Good stuff. So on the topic of money, we charged £39 for this job. That's around about maybe $45. Let us know in the comments if you think that's too much, if you don't think it's enough. It'd be interesting to know. My experience with pressure washing is very little. I have a pressure washer, but it's usually for just jobs like this that customers ask me if I can clean their drive or their patio. I'm more than happy to do it and provide it as a service, but I don't advertise it. I don't think I've got enough experience for that to sell it to people I don't know. Most of my customers are great. They usually are just very down to earth. They're, oh yeah, just clean it, whatever. And yeah, I try to not touch things I'm not sure of, like chemicals and things like that. I leave that to the experts. But yeah, let us know in the comments, guys. That'd be awesome. And if you haven't already, please consider liking and subscribing. That'd be brilliant. We are on the road to 20k subscribers, and it'd be awesome if some of you returning viewers, I know you're returning, could subscribe. That'd be brilliant. It's free to do so. Yeah, but let's crack on. give you an idea of how dirty it is. There we go. So guys, this is where I messed up. I completely forgot to clean this soak away, and I've been pushing water this way the whole time. So now it's nice and grim and filled with mud and crap. But I'm just going to blame the fact that my van was kind of over it at the time, so I didn't know it was there. Yeah, I knew it was there. I just completely forgot to do it. But we're here. Let's do it. Let's crack on. Let's get it cleaned, and then we can go home.
And that was a £39 pressure wash job. Let me know in the comments if you think that's too much or if you think that's not enough. But yeah, I thought it'd come up pretty well, and it's definitely a lot less slippery, so the customer should be happy. But thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this content, consider liking and subscribing, that'd be brilliant, and we'll see you in the next video.